How to fix Ally Bank app not working. So this problem might arise due to the connectivity issue. So first of all, make sure that you are connected to stable Wi-Fi. Once you have the stable internet connection, the next thing you want to do is head over to your app store. In the search bar, simply search for Ally Bank. Move into this app. Right here, instead of open, if it shows the option of update, then your application is not up to date, and it might be the reason that you are facing the issue. In this case, tap on update and update your app to the latest version. Once you have the latest version of the app, the next thing you want to do is head over to the settings of a device. Inside settings, move into general and then head over to iPhone storage. In this page, what you want to do is search for the application Ally Bank. Once you find the app, head over to it. Now click on Offload app and then once again click on Offload app. Offloading app means clearing the cache and the storage of the application. It will make your application run smoothly and then remove all of the unwanted bugs. It might also fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix Ally Bank app not working. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. Well, if you have any queries, you can drop it down in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next one.